How to lock your Chrome browser. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your browser. After that, tap on the three dot line from here and then go to extensions. Then go to visit Chrome Web Store. After that, search for Chrome lock. Open it. Then tap on add to Chrome. Then select add extensions. And then go to your Chrome Locker extension and enter your password and then tap on lock this site and your Chrome browser will be protected. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.